All right, Shamrock. So what we are looking at here is we are beginning to move away from Pythagorean theorem and a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and we are going into transformation. So we are going to start with the first one, which is, in my opinion, the easiest, and it's called translations. So you've done this before. It would have been called slides back when you did it. But basically what you're looking at is, think about how if you were to literally go to a playground and you went up to the top of the slide and then came down, your body did not change. You didn't get bigger, you didn't get littler, you didn't grow taller, you didn't get shorter. Nothing changed about you. So that's what's happening here, is you're just moving things from one place to the other. So if you look here, that's what's happening here, and that's what happened here as well. The only key piece to know is, do you see how this has a little apostrophe, or I've heard it before called commas to the top? That is where we end up. The regular letters are where we started. So again, regular letters where we started, the apostrophes is where we ended up. So if we look here, it says graph D prime, E prime, F prime is the image of triangle DEF after a translation 1 unit right and 3 units down. So we need to take D, E, and F, each one, and we are going to go right 1 and down 1, 2, 3. So again, that counting boxes is still going to be a thing. So that's going to be my E prime. And then I do the same thing with D, right 1, down 1, 2, 3. That's my new D, right 1, down 1, 2, 3. And that's my new F. So if I did this correctly, my shape should look the exact same. It just should be in a different location. My shape should be the exact same. It should just be in a different location. Okay? Number 2 is what is called coordinate notation. So think about positive, negative, in the coordinate plane, right? If I am plusing to x, would that mean I went right on the coordinate plane on a number line, or I went left? It would be right. So this would be right 3, and then the y coordinates, that would be here. So think about your y-axis. Would it be up or down? Since it's positive, it's going to be up 2. And that's it. That's all you're doing. Okay? We are going to use that information, and we are going to do this one right here. So it says, write the rule. Again, we are starting always, always, always with the plain numbers. We are ending with these apostrophe numbers. So you cannot start at S and end at P. If you're going to choose S, then you have to count to S. So we have to go down 1, 2, 3. So we'd go down 3, and then we'd go 1, 2, 3, right 3. And again, I'm going from regular letters to apostrophe letters. So if I were to write this in the notation that we just saw, this would be x plus 3 because I went right 3. And then it would be y minus 3 because I went down 3. Okay? Why don't you kind of use that information, try and do number 4, and then we'll come back together.